Looks like I got a PO 171. PO 174. Let's go fix it. But just look at every vacuum line you see. Check your hoses, your inlet hose. I'm pretty sure that's the problem right there. Yep. It's always the intake inlet hose. Let's take this off so we can see. Yep, that's the problem. Let's remove the vacuum lines. Has yellow paint there so we know which one it goes. So remove that 10mm bolt, and there should be one in the back. Yeah, I figured. Nothing. Disconnect the mass airflow connector. That was on there. Now loosen the throttle body clamp. Yeah, they're gonna need a new filter. That was a problem, guys. It's always the fucking inlet hose. Excuse my language. Anyway. Toyota. Remove the clamps because we gotta install them in the new one. No, now I'm realizing. This one was there. That one was there. Huh. notch goes right there. That's pretty tight. Got it on. Yellow goes on top. This goes on the bottom. Red dot goes on the top. Don't forget to connect your mass airflow sensor. Oh yeah. Ooh. It's supposed to be rubber. It's hard plastic now. Yep. We have to replace that hose. Oh, fuck, that was tight. That's a broken part. Let's go get another vacuum line. Gotta go to O'Reilly's, guys. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Forgot the vacuum line. Get the vacuum line right there? There. Yeah. My bad.
That's a
Thank you. Come on.
What's that?
Vacuum line. Vacuum line. Huh? Yeah. On the door. Ooh. Huh? I don't know. What's up, man? You got a piece of vacuum line?
It's gonna be on aisle 5.
Thanks, man. Come on. Let's go over here. You said aisle 5. Oh. Hopefully. Looks like the size.
Stop.
Huh?
What's this?
What? Oh, it's like a protector sheet.
What? Are those clogs for the cars?
No, it's a check tire pressure.
Oh. You can get 2 or 1. It looks like I don't stick to it.
It's a magnet.
Oh.
Thanks, boss. Thank you, man. Here you go, Come.
I can throw this in the trash.
Huh?
I can throw this in the trash.
Oh, rallies. Auto parts. Ow! Nose break. Are you a monster kind of guy or a nose guy? Let me know in the comments below. Get the new tubing. Little clip. There you go. Fit the other one. And then we gotta cut it to length. Yep, I'm gonna cut it. Shit. This side in. Oh yeah. There's the evap line. If you guys did not know that. Here we go. Put it back in its place. Oh yeah. And now it's a fresh new line. So we replaced an inlet and a broken vacuum hose. Let's go start her up. No more high idle. No more high idle. Don't forget the beauty cover.